Good day to our viewers and stakeholders. I would like to welcome you to this webinar series on the Free Trade Agreement between the Philippines and the European Free Trade Association, or the Philippines EFTA FTA. We have created this webinar series because we want our stakeholders, the exporters, MSMEs, and industries to take advantage of the preferences under this agreement. EFTA is composed of Iceland, Liechtenstein, Norway, and Switzerland. We engage EFTA in an FTA as part of the Philippine government strategy to deepen relations with non-traditional partners. Through this FTA, we aim to increase market share of Philippine export products in EFTA markets, attract more foreign direct investments from EFTA, and improve our trade and services with EFTA. This is also part of the DTI's commitment to help our businesses, big and small alike, to grow, become global, and sharing the benefits of international trade by opening new markets for Philippine products. This FTA is proof of that commitment. It is a comprehensive agreement that seeks to facilitate two-way trade through lowered tariffs, more liberal rules of origin, and trade facilitating features that will help us gain a stronger foothold in the European market. The Philippines EFTA FTA is one of the pillars of the DTI's three-pronged approach to enhance our bilateral trade and investment relations with Europe as a region. The other pillars include 1. The maximization of the EU GSP Plus preferences, and 2. The pursuit of a Philippines-EU FTA. The DTI is pleased to share that since the EFTA FTA entered into force in June 2018, the Philippines was able to turn around its trade deficit with EFTA. In 2019, the Philippines posted a trade surplus of $47 million. For 2020, despite the pandemic, this surplus grew to $109 million. Exports to EFTA likewise grew by 6% in 2020 from $434 million in 2019 to $461 million in 2020. Top industrial products that the Philippines exports to EFTA include gold, static converters, electronic integrated circuits, and vacuum cleaners. On the other hand, our top agricultural exports to EFTA are crude coconut oil, desiccated coconuts, prepared and preserved pineapples, and tropical fruit juices. To further build on these gains, we have created this webinar series so that more Filipino exporters and MSMEs could take advantage of the benefits under the Philippines EFTA FTA, as we see it as a useful tool to help Filipino businesses recover from this pandemic. Likewise, Filipino consumers and businesses could access more quality products and services from EFTA countries. This webinar series will highlight the benefits and features of the FTA. Our various experts from the different government agencies will touch on the specific commitments and opportunities under the FTA. I encourage our stakeholders to consult any concerns you may have on how to use the preferences under the FTA. Please do not hesitate to contact us at the email address shown on the screen. Once again, we hope that you will find this webinar useful in your export endeavors. Thank you very much and have a good day.